Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi but bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka app na ka Play Store.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingpuli ka jingseo ka paret but hila ban legu ban puli da ka education loan. Hila ruban chukola ho number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani khandai pran riu license, ar riwe khandai pra.
Kajing yalang Jong ka kunhun menteri haka artarik unailar arhajar arpulai kala Mynjur ya ka service rules Jong ka Meghalaya Public Service Commission hadin bakani ka shlam trekam bakongsan Jong ka sarkar jalla kam shim ladon satya ya ka service rules na kabenta ginong tre menta daki pausnem.
The agenda of the service rules of the Mpsc. As you're aware that the Mpsc has been functional for decades, but it did not have service rules for the employees out there, and hence today in the cabinet we have finally cleared the service rules of the Mpsc. The first agenda was the clearing of the service rules of the Mpsc. Every department has service rules which determine the different things of aspects of promotion and the different posts and all the different procedures that are followed. Basic service rules which are there in every department. Mpsc was functioning without service rules for the last many decades. In fact, many departments have been functioning without service rules for many decades. In the last 5 years, in the first term of this government, and now in continuing, we have made extra effort to ensure that the Mpsc rules are, the service rules are there in place for all the departments, and in line with that particular objective, the Mpsc rules, finally the service rules have been notified today.
Hagani ka jingyalang ka kunhun menteri kala ai jing Mynjur ru ban penbek thamai ya ka Meghalaya Medical Council Act of 1987. Dagani ka jing penbek thamai nangni shakhmat ya ka Medical Council of India on tipna kum ka National Medical Commission.
There was a very minor amendment that had to be made in the Meghalaya Medical Council Act of 1987. As you're aware that earlier there used to be what we call the the Medical Council of India, MCI, and in the Meghalaya Medical Council Act, the word MCI was still there, but as you're aware, the MCI has been changed and now it is the National Medical Commission. And that particular word had to be amended in the Act of the Meghalaya Medical Council Act, and that amendment has been today proposed through an ordinance, and that was cleared today by the cabinet.